Imagine posting videos like these and getting thousands, even millions of views. Creators are exploding in followers with AI-generated time travel videos. And the best part? You can make one in less than 2 minutes. Here's exactly how. Today we're using AutoClips.app, one of the fastest ways to create cinematic time travel POV videos. No editing, no complicated prompts, no confusing AI tools. Just a few clicks and you're done. Step 1. Head over to AutoClips.app. Once you're inside, you'll find several AI tools. Click on AI Time Travel Vlog Generator. This tool is built specifically for the viral format taking over TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Step 2. First choose your character, then choose your idea. Ancient Egypt, medieval Europe, World War II, the future, or even the dinosaur age. The more unique your idea, the more attention it'll grab. Customize the location, the time period, and the overall style. Once everything looks right, click Generate. Step 3. Now the AI takes over. It automatically creates every scene, matches the visuals, adds realistic camera movement, and keeps everything consistent, like a real vlog. It usually takes about a minute. Now take a look at the result.
Okay, I think I just time traveled. I am literally standing in the Cretaceous period right now. There are dinosaurs behind me.
This would have taken hours to create manually. Instead, AI handled everything. The environment, the lighting, the camera movement. Everything looks cinematic, polished, and surprisingly realistic. So why do these videos perform so well? Because they trigger curiosity instantly. People stop scrolling, look twice, and immediately think, wait, is this actually real? That extra watch time is exactly what social media algorithms reward. So if you've been looking for an easy way to create viral AI content without spending hours editing, give AutoClips.app's time travel generator a try. The link is in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments, which time period would you visit first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.